Hello and welcome to another update video by Market Intel. My name is Ben and today we want to take a look at a stocks chart, UnitedHealth. I can't remember that we've ever looked at it, but we are nearing the completion of a larger correction. So there could be some scope for upside reversal patterns in the near future. So maybe something for the watch list, something for those of you who are interested in trading US stocks. Let's go. So we are on our website, dailymarketupdate.com. Today we want to take a look at the US stocks section. And by the way, if you are interested in getting access to all of these updates, Elliott wave updates and much more, make sure that you register on our website. You can do that for free. The link is in the description. You can register and then you get access to all of these updates, including also US stocks, tech stocks and cryptocurrencies. Now, if you're interested in additional updates beyond that, also you can follow us on our Instagram channel, The Market Intel. You can find the link in the description, should take you there, and then you get access to additional updates, news and much more. Now let us take a look at the US stocks section, and I'll take a look at the UnitedHealth chart today. From a larger time frame point of view, you can see there is some serious scope here long term for the price to rally to $800, $900 plus, in a larger degree third wave, and we currently see the market as potentially in the late stages of a larger correction. Now we've had a 5-wave move up that peaked end of 2022 here with an ending diagonal in beige wave 5, or wave 5 of beige wave 5, and then a larger correction started to unfold labeled A, B, C, and this C wave to the downside appears to be a 5-wave decline in the making, still in the making. So it looks like a 3-wave move to the downside right now, and C waves should be 5-wave movements. Now if you cannot read it, maybe because it's a bit too small, let me read out to you the key trading area here. This is an interesting one because this is the area where typically we would expect buyers to get interested. This is an area of interest where bulls should turn up if indeed this is a corrective pullback, which should then lead to a turnaround to the upside, an upside reversal. And this C wave to the downside should go a little lower, potentially into this region between $63 and $213.19. A very important area of interest. It's the 88.7 retracement to the 61.8 retracement. And what we normally don't want is in any wave 2 that the price breaks below the 88.7 retracement. It's like an area where probabilities clearly shift. So that gives you a good idea of where things could be going long term. Let us now take a look at the 3-hour chart because it gives us some further clarity. Now what you can see on this chart is that the C wave to the downside is likely still unfolding. You see it here in more detail. You can see this unfolding impulse to the downside. We can see a wave 1 clearly in 5 waves, a wave 2 corrective rally. The third wave is normally quite an aggressive decline. Then the fourth wave would be a corrective bounce, probably unfolding right now, with another low to come in wave 5 of C of 2. And this area down here, as I said, is an area of interest, and this is where we would expect the price to first of all dip into, to reach that area, for the bulls to get interested, and then we will speculate that the bulls will turn up and drive the price higher. Could we get a larger recovery already now? Absolutely. It would likely just be then a B wave in beige. That is a reasonable alternative scenario. We can say that before we get that one more low, maybe the correction is turning into a bit more of a complex corrective pattern. The decline is actually an A wave. Then we get a B wave bounce, which would delay the entire correction, the completion of the correction. We would see some upside earlier than expected, at least in our primary count. We wouldn't expect it yet. It wouldn't necessarily confirm that the correction is already complete. It might extend it much further. So for most of us, I think a direct decline would be the best option, and then an upside reversal in an impulse. But if the price now rallies above a key level here, which is located at $437.70, we only see that with a 30% likelihood though, then the price could already be in a larger bounce like a B wave before we then go down lower in wave C. So it's just like a larger corrective pattern that could unfold here. For now, we keep the focus on lower prices, but a wave 4 must never break into the wave 1 price region. So that would be the invalidation point for the current setup. So pay attention to this level. Again, with a 70% likelihood, we would like to see, or we expect the price to decline more directly. So that's the update on UnitedHealth. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, make sure to register on our website, and also let me know in the comments which other stocks or tech stocks or cryptos you want me to cover in future videos. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.